Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. First off, Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter or Happy EASter. Okay, anyway. Now let's get down to business. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses central and southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Cities in today's enhanced include Springfield, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, and Conway, Arkansas. We have a slight risk today that encompasses northeastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, eastern Oklahoma, much of Arkansas, southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, well, a lot of Missouri actually, western Illinois, and southeastern Iowa. Cities in today's slate include St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Illinois, and Independence, Missouri. And we have a marginal today that covers parts of eastern Texas, north central Louisiana, central Oklahoma, far northwestern Mississippi, eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, northwestern and far southeastern Missouri, eastern Kansas, far southwestern Kentucky, parts of Illinois, and southeastern Iowa. Cities in the marginal include Memphis, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Overland Park, Kansas, Clearfield, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Going to today's tornado threat, we have a 10% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses central and southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 10% tornado risk area today. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see tornadoes, strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger. So, there could be some tornadoes that, reach or exceed EF2 strength. So, yeah. And that's again within the black dashed area, which encompasses the entirety of the 10% area for tornadoes. So, cities in both the 10% and the black dashed area include Springfield, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, and Conway, Arkansas. And again, the same cities that are in the 10% also have the black dashed area. So, again, black dashed area could have strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger. So, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northeastern Texas, far northwestern Louisiana, eastern Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, and west central Illinois, as well as a tiny bit of southeast Iowa. So, cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, St. Charles, Missouri, and North Little Rock, Arkansas. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, northern Louisiana, central Oklahoma, eastern Arkansas, far northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, far southwestern Kentucky, parts of eastern Kansas, northwestern and southeastern Missouri, southeastern Iowa, and parts of Illinois. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Overland Park, Kansas. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses central and southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Cities in the 30% tornado risk, the 30% wind risk area today include Springfield, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, and Joplin, Missouri. And just to clear any confusion, that's the 30% wind risk area, not tornado. The 30% wind risk area. So, anyway, I was trying to clear some confusion right there. So, anyway, we have a 15%, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers northeastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, eastern Oklahoma, much of Arkansas, southeastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, western Illinois, and southeastern Iowa. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Illinois, and Independence, Missouri. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers eastern Texas, north central Louisiana, central Oklahoma, eastern Arkansas, far northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, far southwestern Kentucky, eastern Kansas, northwestern and southeastern Missouri, southeastern Iowa, and parts of Illinois. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Going to the hail for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. That encompasses northeastern Texas, northwestern Louisiana, eastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, far southeastern Kansas, most of Missouri, west central Illinois, and far southeastern Iowa. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, and Independence, Missouri. And we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. That covers eastern Texas, north central Louisiana, parts of central Oklahoma, eastern Arkansas, eastern Kansas, northwestern and southeastern Missouri, parts of Illinois, and southeastern Iowa. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are expected today across parts of the Arklatex into the Ozarks and mid-Mississippi Valley, mainly this afternoon and evening. The best corridor for tornadoes, some of which could be strong and scattered to numerous damaging winds, should exist from central and northern Kansas into Missouri. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, and if you're going anywhere for Easter today or you're hosting something, please be careful today, and make sure you review your severe weather safety plan with your relatives if you are hosting. So, if you're hosting, brunch or breakfast or dinner or whatever the case may be, just do that. And if you're planning to do something outdoors today, please do it indoors. You're going to want to do it indoors where it's safer. And, so in the affected areas. So stay safe in the affected areas today. And Day 2 right now is just general thunderstorms. Day 2 just has general thunderstorms. So the Day 2 outlook will depend. So if there is a marginal upgrade tomorrow, then I will have a video for the Day 2 outlook, but that would not come until early evening since I have plans. So stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see you in the next video. And happy Easter or happy EASter. Take care.